In the shadow of global military superpowers, one nation is quietly preparing to change the future of warfare as we know it. And it's not who you might expect. China, already a dominant force in the tech world, is now pushing the boundaries of military innovation. Enter the Q-UGV Wolf, an unmanned ground vehicle that's not just a military tool, but a glimpse into the terrifying future of autonomous warfare. Imagine a battlefield where human soldiers aren't the ones on the front lines, but instead, advanced robotic machines like the Q-UGV Wolf are carrying out life-or-death missions all on their own. This isn't science fiction, this is happening right now, and China is leading the charge. What makes the Q-UGV Wolf so dangerous, and how does it fit into a much bigger and more terrifying vision of the future? Let's dive in and take a closer look at one of the most advanced unmanned ground vehicles ever designed and why it's sending shockwaves through military circles worldwide. Today, we'll explore this remarkable piece of technology, its design, capabilities, and how it fits into China's broader defense strategy. What is the Q-UGV Wolf? The Q-UGV Wolf is an unmanned ground vehicle developed by Chinese defense companies as part of the country's push to integrate robotics and autonomous systems into their military forces. It is named for its rugged, versatile nature, much like the wolf in the wild, capable of operating in a wide range of environments. The vehicle's primary purpose is to assist in military operations by carrying out tasks that are too dangerous, tedious, or difficult for human soldiers. Key features and design. The Q-UGV Wolf has been designed with an emphasis on mobility, intelligence, and combat readiness. Let's break down some of its key features. All-terrain capability. The Q-UGV Wolf is engineered to navigate a wide range of terrain, making it suitable for operations in diverse geographical environments. Whether it's rough desert landscapes, mountainous regions, or urban environments, the vehicle can maneuver with relative ease. This is essential for military operations where terrain can significantly impact the success of a mission. Autonomous operations. One of the most important aspects of the Q-UGV Wolf is its autonomy. The vehicle can be operated autonomously or controlled remotely by a human operator, depending on the situation. Its onboard sensors, including cameras and LIDAR, allow it to perceive and analyze its surroundings, enabling it to navigate complex environments without direct human input. Advanced sensors. The vehicle is equipped with various sensors that enhance its operational effectiveness. These include infrared cameras for nighttime or low visibility operations, high-definition visual cameras for surveillance, and potentially radar or other detection systems for mapping the environment and avoiding obstacles. This sensor suite gives it a significant edge in both combat and reconnaissance missions. Robust payload capacity. Depending on its configuration, the Q-UGV Wolf can carry a range of payloads such as weapons, supplies, or surveillance equipment. This adaptability makes it an excellent tool for missions that require versatility. In addition to carrying payload, the vehicle can be equipped with various attachments for specific mission requirements, from carrying medical supplies to deploying small drones for aerial reconnaissance. Military applications of the Q-UGV Wolf. Now that we have a basic understanding of the vehicle, let's dive deeper into its potential military applications. Reconnaissance and surveillance. One of the most critical roles for the Q-UGV Wolf is its ability to conduct surveillance and reconnaissance missions. By deploying the vehicle in high-risk environments, military forces can gather intelligence without putting human lives in danger. The vehicle can travel ahead of a convoy, scout for enemy positions, or monitor large areas for any unusual activity. Explosive ordnance disposal, EOD. That's like the Q-UGV Wolf is also likely equipped to handle tasks like explosive ordnance disposal, EOD, a dangerous job traditionally done by humans. With its precise control and autonomous navigation, it can safely approach and neutralize unexploded ordnance, thereby reducing the risk of casualties among military personnel. Logistical support. Another crucial role of unmanned ground vehicles like the Q-UGV Wolf is logistical support. These vehicles can carry supplies such as ammunition, medical kits, food, and water to troops in remote or hostile locations. The Wolf's autonomous capabilities make it capable of navigating to these hard-to-reach areas without requiring constant human intervention. Combat and fire support. While the Q-UGV Wolf may not yet be fully armed in the sense of a traditional combat vehicle, it is conceivable that future versions could be equipped with weapon systems, either for direct fire support or to serve as a platform for unmanned aerial systems, UAS, that can provide overhead surveillance and attack capabilities. In this role, it can act as a mobile fire support platform capable of providing direct fire against enemy targets. Search and rescue. The Q-UGV Wolf can also be used in humanitarian missions, such as search and rescue operations after natural disasters or during military conflicts. It can enter collapsed buildings, dangerous zones, or areas with hazardous conditions where it would be unsafe for humans to operate, to locate survivors and assess damage. The technological edge, China's robotics and autonomous systems. The development of the Q-UGV Wolf is not just about one specific vehicle. It represents a larger trend in China's military modernization efforts. As China has advanced its capabilities in artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and robotics, the Q-UGV Wolf is a natural outgrowth of these technological strides. The vehicle is equipped with systems that allow it to make decisions on its own, whether navigating a battlefield or avoiding obstacles, reducing the need for constant human control. In the broader context of global military development, the Q-UGV Wolf reflects China's ambitions to establish itself as a leader in autonomous warfare. Unmanned vehicles, whether aerial, ground-based, or may have the potential to radically alter the landscape of warfare by reducing risks to human life and improving operational efficiency. China's investment in such systems indicates that the future of warfare will increasingly rely on smart, autonomous machines. Global military context, the rise of unmanned systems. While the Q-UGV Wolf represents China's contribution to the development of unmanned ground vehicles, other countries have also made significant strides in this area. The United States, Russia, Israel, and several European nations have all developed or are working on similar systems, each with unique specifications and capabilities. For example, the U.S. military's GCV ground combat vehicle program and Russia's Uran-9 unmanned ground combat vehicle show that the development of these systems is a key focus globally. However, China's focus on developing multiple variants of autonomous systems, coupled with its rapid advancements in AI and robotics, makes it a formidable player in this space. The Q-UGV Wolf is just one example of China's efforts to integrate cutting-edge technologies into its military. Conclusion: the future of warfare. The Q-UGV Wolf is an advanced, versatile, unmanned ground vehicle that reflects the future of military technology, autonomous, intelligent, and capable of performing a wide variety of tasks. Whether used for reconnaissance, logistics, or combat support, the vehicle offers a glimpse into a future where humans may no longer be the first to enter dangerous battlefields. As China continues to develop and deploy such systems, it will have a significant impact on modern warfare, shaping the strategies and tactics of tomorrow. In conclusion, the Q-UGV Wolf symbolizes the growing importance of unmanned systems in defense and military operations. As these technologies continue to evolve, we may see even more advanced versions of the Wolf, with increased capabilities and further integration into China's defense infrastructure. It's clear that the future of military operations will increasingly rely on these unmanned autonomous systems, bringing with them a new era of warfare.